For Valentine's Day, why not give the gift of good sleep to your lover? Dr. Craig Schwimmer, Medical Director and CEO of the Snoring Center, is joining us via Skype this morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
So how exactly does sleep affect our sex lives?
Oh, in all sorts of ways. You know, one of the oldest excuses is I'm too tired. So if you're looking to improve your sex life, make sure that you and your partner are well rested.
And how can we give a good night's rest as a gift? How do you give that as a gift?
In my world, it's usually treating your snoring. You know, bed partners of snorers lose a lot of sleep, about an hour per night on average. Bed partners of snorers often wind up not being their bed partners. They move to another room.
So should you maybe give those nose strips as a gift then?
Well, you know, you just do something about it.
For more of Dr. Schwimmer's sleep tips, just go to bodychecklist.com.